of Uniquely Savvy and this crew of amazing leaders and emerging leaders. Say hi, everybody. Oh my gosh, we have in here, we have a award-winning broadcast journalist who is also Rodan and Fields. We have my new friend Chris. We have a mortgage lender. We have Green Apple Catering, a massage therapist that you must know about. I swear by her. And then Kelly Fennelly in the back, who is a mobile personal trainer. And we have had such a great time.
Absolutely.
Right?
Yes.
Learning about how to authentically and holistically build your personal brand for success. And let me tell you, look, I have chills again, because these girls really, they're not just rock stars. Literally, they are defining their purpose. They're unveiling their unique genius, and they are owning it. And literally, you should see my arms. They're chilling up. But Rachel, tell us something. Tell me an aha that you had from the class. What was a good takeaway?
Well, first I have to thank Kim for inviting us to be here. And if you're even thinking about investing in yourself and in your business, Kim is the one you want to partner with.
Wow.
One thing that I have to say that I've really enjoyed about today is that it's so important to take that time to go after whatever it is that you think is holding you back, because that will propel you to go forward in whatever it is that you're trying to pursue. And it might be hard, but the hard work is what gets you to where you want to go. So I'm excited, and I just want to thank you for just inviting us to be part of it.
Wow.
Yeah, thank you,
Yeah.
Kim. Thank you.
Oh my gosh, yes. I mean, how lucky am I to get to work with these gals who really want no more excuses. I mean, you guys are firing me up. It's like, I am so lucky. So I'm super excited about that. And again, please look these gals up, and Janine, just say hi. She just flew in, but this is the gal I was telling you about who just gave me a massage in my home. Lots of mobile people.
We all need some pampering. So.
Yes. We're down the field. So
That's right.
anyway, ladies, it's great. We're going to sign off and wrap up our workshop. Bye for now.
Bye.